What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today I'm announcing another giveaway on the channel. On June 18th, I'll be picking a winner for the Emax Tinyhawk 2 bundle that I did a review recently on. I was actually originally going to give this to my son, but he is just too young, doesn't really understand a lot of grasp really yet. So I figured let's go ahead and give it away. And on June 18th, we'll be giving this away. I'll be using one of those random comment pickers. And in order to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is leave one comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know some people that might be interested in as well, go ahead and share this video out to Facebook, wherever your social media platform is. And we'll be picking a winner on the 18th to see who wins this bundle. If you're new to FPV, this would be something really perfect to have because you pretty much get it all. You get the goggles, the controller, the drone, and some batteries to start off with. So this would be really fun for somebody that just can't afford it right now to get into the hobby. So like I said, on June 18th, just go ahead and stay tuned, and we'll be giving this thing away. But go ahead and comment on this video to get entered into the giveaway, and we'll see who wins. But the channel is almost to 5,000 subscribers, and I'm really excited about that as well. So stay tuned for some future things going on the channel. As you can see, I have a Radio Master TX16 right there back behind me. And I do have some other little things that I'm working on as well. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.